All right, so we're in these trades right now. Got back into it. I'm down about 20 grand. So, is it 20 grand or 10? Hold up. No, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm down about 10 grand. It's just nothing. So I'm gonna let these go ahead. I think most of these I'm gonna end up holding, except for I think GBP NZD. Hold on. Where's my notes? Yeah, GBP NZD I will be closing at 4:30, and I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. I don't know. It's probably gonna end up going down now. So I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna be closing it. I don't really care what this one does. The one I'm really concerned about, the one I want to win, is Euro AUD. Chf Jpy would be nice. All right, when I have some volume coming in, that's the alarm. These just open these. Euro NZD is what I want, and that's pretty much it. The rest they can go to hell. But if they work out, great. I mean, you know, I'm not trying to be perfect here, and this is what some of you I don't understand. You know, some of you are like, you want, you know, you're like, oh, perfect perfection. No, it'll never happen. Stop being neurotic and know that trading does not go perfectly. You don't need it to go perfectly to make money. You really don't. All right. If you stick with me, your averages are going to be wins. Okay. What you're making on the wins are just going to crush any mistakes and losses you may have. So you don't worry about that. Understand that this is a cycle and you don't have to be perfect at trading. When I see these double top and BEs, let's see, EuroCAD, those are something that you want to take, but because I don't see, hold on, matter of fact, I could be wrong here. Yeah, this could be a nice good drop. So, you could take it now. The problem is this is going to range. All right. This is going to go sideways and it's not, you know, fully ready to crack. What? It says I didn't. Like, go to hell. It's freaking, these people are like scammers. Hold on, let me get rid of these scammers. Hold on. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How people just, they send you these, get knowingly fake shit. I mentioned your name just recently. How are you doing? You mentioned my name. Just keep my name out your fucking mouth. Oh, I should have. That's what I should have messaged them. Oh, it's too late. I blocked them. I should have said, keep my name out your fucking mouth. Oh, man, that would have been a good one, right? Well, anyway, okay, so you have the double top BEs. Okay. Um, take it, you know, short it all the way down to those lines down there I showed you. 89, 0.89. Nice, we got another one. Now this one, this is Usd Chf. And where is it on my, I'm trying to find it on my notes here. Usd Chf. I mean, it's still a, yeah, it's still a buy. Still a buy. We probably topped out and it's starting to crack. And these, I think these are just starting to crack. It's going to range sideways because it's still a buy. Remember, when these do this, they have those BEs, they have double tops, whatever have you, into the cloud, and you see it go from strong buy to buy. Just know that that top that happened is 99.9%. That's it. It's not going beyond that point. It's going to range. Okay, so you have time to get in. You don't have to jump in like, oh my gosh, I got to get in now, and then it'll go up on you. And then you're like, oh no. Just understand where it is based on what you see me send. All right. You understand that these things start topping, they start cracking. You have time to get into the target, okay? You have plenty of time to get into the target. Target's way down there. This one, and I have that target there, so and there you go. This is made. Look, listen. GBP NZD had a target just like this, and it just turned around and went all the way down to the other target. Okay, so look for these. You have your BE double top. See if you get under the cloud. You know, this is a short situation happening here. Now it could come down to this far, then bounce off. See, that's possible. You know, it depends on your horizon, what you want to do. If you're trying to buy up to this point, I would wait to see if this goes back to a strong buy, like come down here and then turn into a strong buy, then do it, okay? But typically when I go from strong buy to buys, you kind of miss the entry on there. So you didn't kind of miss the entry. I mean, you know, I'm here to help you. Don't worry. You know, certain of these, I just don't know what they're going to do next. Because they're in between these spaces sometimes. But hey, it could continue. A lot of it, Aussie dollar is down today. Aussie dollar. So today is what? Wednesday is a down day for the Aussie dollar, the euro. We have the so the euro was up today, so there's an up. So I do these things to try to keep note. And this is what you have to do, guys. You're gonna have to do your spreadsheets. Make spreadsheets, make notes, because then you can identify a pattern. Oh, if you make notes and then you see nothing, all right. At least you give yourself a shot. Oh, I didn't see this. Yeah, Usd Jpy is. We're gonna do that. We're gonna put that in as a short on 6:30 p.m. today. I may do that, so it'll probably be a short later today. Box that in. What else might be a short? Euro Jpy might be a short tonight. This is what you gotta do. You have to be one step ahead of this shit, man. You see how I said it was gonna do that? It was one of these videos on the yen pair. I said it's gonna go like this, you know. It was one of these, like Usd Jpy. It was something, one of the yen pairs. I told you it's gonna do that. It's closed and then it hit the top and then whatever. NZD. Odd NZD is, where is it? See, I don't have these in order. There's just no, it's still a buy right now. It's come up to here. This is what I expected, but I believe it's going to actually touch. It's like so close, like almost the size of the finger of the cursor. But I expect this to do like this. Something is probably going to form a bullish harmonic, just like you see on here. And if they haven't formed their bullish harmonic at the top, you know, that is a sign that it's not ready to crack yet. It means it's like it's topped, it's done its top, like this right here was its top. It's like a crowning little thing that it does.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals. forex.multiscreensite.com. Or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
Look, it was so strong I left this open. Where's my... this thing is all over the place. Here, which should have succeeded, but it's so strong, the trend was so strong, did this, but exhausted. It's beginning to exhaust itself. You know, I see this thing just go a little more. It has to stay down a little bit longer, and it'll start to become to a point where it is weak enough, and you can start shorting it. We already did that one. Okay, odd SGD. This one I got into a short position to go all the way down. Yeah, see the Ichimoku says sell. There it is. Not the Ichimoku, the what you call it? My RSI indicator that I have. The RSI strategy. Well, you pick this up in the RSI strategy course. Those of you that have the course know what this is. Oh, doji. See? All right. Down to this point right here is where we're going. We're expected to go. So we'll see how long I hold that for. I'm trying to see if I can just get one going and just leave it open to target. It's a challenging thing, even though you know what the target is. It's a challenging thing because they go sideways for a while. They get down and get to the middle and it goes sideways on you. All right, odd NZD, USD. It just needs to get a little more. And it's got to do a little more. Either go sideways longer or come down a little more. Okay, so you can do it, but it's going to take a long time. See, when you're at the top, just because you got in the top doesn't mean you go straight down here. You're going to be waiting for all of this. See how this is sideways? See that area of confluence? It's going to be, bro, you're going to be waiting like 3-4 days, man. I'm just letting you know. You can get in and wait 3-4 days. It's fine. Don't get mad when it doesn't go straight to your, what you call it. Now, this has been going back on me for a while. This is the one I'm having the most difficulty with. But I'm probably going to let it just leave it in. It's still bullish. Yeah, it's still bullish. It's going to do its thing. Whatever. I'll leave it in there. Double top, respecting the double top. Well, hey, man. Maybe I'll just let it go to stop loss. I don't care. CAD Jpy. CAD Jpy. Actually, I'm going to close this one. Well, it's a double top. I'm going to see what it does. If it goes back to 0, I'm closing it. Yeah, like, you know, it goes up to this double top or whatever, past it. You know what? I'll leave it in to stop, whatever. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to leave it in to stop. I'll leave it in. Because it's just in that area, you know, where it's kind of like, you know, so-so. Chf Jpy. It's just as strong right now as CAD Jpy. I haven't gotten in there. The one I really want to work out is Euro AUD. I like that one. I ended up getting in just before it got inside the area, the no buy area. I wanted to get it before it did that, and I knew it was gonna break, so I said, "Get in there, you know, go ahead," and that's what it did. I didn't even see this thing here. Like, yo, look at this that's a 3-call switch right there. You can make it. It's like 120 pips, right? 120 to 180 pips you can make on a 3-call switch. I always forget about that strategy. 3-call switch, man. What is it? Look at this. Oh God, oh my gosh. Well, you know, I did make money on the way down, but if I saw the 3-call switch, if I had this setting on there, I would have seen it. It's all good. All right, so next one. EuroCAD, not ready. Oh, it's double bottom, but it's going to be ranging, okay? It's not ready to go up, okay? You can get in now, it's fine, but I just want you to know, like I said before, it's going to be holding. Going to be ranging, same situation. GBP, same situation. Euro CHF and Euro GBP are essentially the same. Euro JPY, this is the top of the long move up, slowly dropping down. You can see that you got boom, boom. Every time it hits PE, trying to get up top, but it fell back inside. It's just, you see how it's just gradually getting weaker and weaker. Okay, it's just like a gradual thing. This is holding. Like I said, I want to see this get cracked. I want to see this line, or even wait till this point. Okay, because we have a long way down, so we can do that. We can wait. Okay. See, our position, our angle coming into this allows us to be this way. All right. Gartley pattern should stay open. Euro NZD. I expect this one to head all the way up here. All right. So we're in there for the long haul. I really want the euros to work out. It's the euro, trading the euro is really something that I like doing. I like doing more and more trading euros. Not too crazy about GBP AUD. Notice that I didn't short GBP AUD. Right? The GBP AUD. Yeah, notice that. Yeah, notice that I didn't touch it. It's formed its bottom here. This is great. It's not going to go beyond this point now. It's done its double bottom. So, we're going to be buying this. It's going to range though. I mean, I'll get into it. Some of these I'll just say, okay, and it's going to end up going into the weekend. So, but this I expect this to come down to about somewhere in here. Okay. It should leave this open. It shouldn't complete down to here at all, but it should leave it somewhere open, somewhere up in here. It's going to do its, it's going to go, woo, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes it just follows these, but I like to tell you so you know what to expect. All right, it's gonna be something like that. Like it's just like you're gonna, oh fuck, where's it going? Where's it going? It's like trying to fake you out. You know what I mean? It's like trying to shake people out so people don't know where it's going. We know where it's going. We have targets. KOFXS students know where it's going. Okay, we don't worry about where it's going. GBP CAD. Looking at my notes, same situation, right? TBPC, where is it? Okay. Sort of, but it's gonna take, right now, it's gonna take a little longer. I think this is gonna take longer than the other to really start breaking a lot of this, breaking through. This pattern's gonna get repeated. I'm gonna go then up like this. That's gonna be copied. This is pretty much gonna be copied over here. Okay. GBP CHF. This one, what's going on with that one? What? Is this a no trade, right? Yeah, this one, do we have a target for this? Or no? We got a target. Yeah, guys, get into this one. Buy, 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 buy. Oh, it's also got a good buy too. What is it, in the afternoon? Yes, 2 o'clock. This is a good buy right now. I would go ahead and get into GBP CHF. go ahead and get in and buy for Gbp Chf. Why do I have this as a short on over here? Okay. Gbp Jpy is cracked. As far as the balance between the buyers and the sellers, I see cracking going on. This has gone below. See that green line? That's the buyers. It's getting violated. This is getting ready to. It's beginning to crack. You know, these lines you see, that's buyers and sellers. So they get violated, so it starts cracking. Sell line starts holding, gets cracked. You don't see the sell line again for a while. Then it gets cracked. All right, double bottom. That's okay. I expect to see some kind of a harmonic form right here. If this isn't one already. There's probably one already over there. But something should form. Yeah. I don't know. Just yen pair. I'm getting in right there. I'm rolling the dice. GBP NZD. Yes. I got into a buy on GBP NZD. It's not moving. Internet's still connected. Hold up.
Connect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.
It's a strong sell that just happens to be following the GBP pairs. Oh, look, it's forming its pattern. See, so it should hit at 1.89300. Do I have my target? Well, the target is up there. Well, you see the video, but it should hit here by 4 o'clock. You know what? I'm gonna tell you guys. Hold on, let me message you. GBP NZD will hit 1.89278. What do you want to short to? So it's going to go here, and we get our little tool. All right, we get a little tool, and we measure the impulse. Okay, impulse here. So then it go down to 1.88269. What's that going to be? That's going to lead us into what? Come on. It leads into Friday. I mean, it'd be Thursday afternoon. What would happen after Thursday afternoon? And it'll probably be probably go up. Should hit that by Yeah, I'd say like Thursday afternoon. Okay. You got your trading plan. Okay. Moving on. GBP ends USD. And that's how it has to be. You got to stay one step ahead of the market, man. Okay. That's how you succeed at trading. GBP USD. Um, I hit a buy, right? Yeah, I hit a buy. It's dropping. It's just the afternoon. But it cracked though. So I'm gonna stay in the buy since it's cracked. GBP USD, GBP USD CAD. So, oh yeah, you guys aren't gonna know Kraken until you've mastered the RSAI strategy. So don't go asking me, oh well, how do you know it cracked? You know, don't even ask me. Okay. When you've passed the test, when you take your RSAI exam at the end, and okay, you say you completed it and you know it, I'm going to give you a comprehension exam. If you pass it, then I'll tell you. Because you won't understand it. Even if I just went and told you, you wouldn't understand it. You'd be like, how? Well, I don't get, it's just more questions. All right. So this is USD CAD. Why is it taking so long for things to load? I know I have all of this, right? Anyway, you see that's a buy on there. USD CHF is a no trade, right? When it's a no trade, I kind of just, I can look at the chart and make a chart. What's going on? Yeah, I just, you don't make that much on USDC. When you trade it and you get the lots and all, it's not like Euro, some of the Euros where, those movements can get you a lot of money. These kind of just, I'm trading in US dollars, that's why. See, it left this open. So that means it's just the trend is strong enough. That's good to know. See, any little information you can get, man. Any information you can get, and you watch the same data all the time, you're gonna notice patterns. Okay. There it is. Headed up to 0.97615. You can go ahead and buy this. Yeah, absolutely. You can buy USD CHF based off this video. Okay. Yeah, so USD CNH. I'm telling you, man, this is tough as a motherfucker to trade. I have made, you know, 500 here, 1500 there, maybe like 2500. I've never made more than 2500 on one trade on USD CNH. Like, never, man. It's always best to just keep shorting it. It's just always going. The US dollar is always outpacing it. It's just doom, 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 doom. Down, down, down. All the way fucking down. Yeah, these Chinese freaking, like I trade the Hang Seng Index, like Hong Kong, and bro, if I'm telling you it's hard, it's fucking hard, dude. I haven't had the strategy for CNH because you need a strategy that's it's much different than the buy and hold. You have to trade it per, like, it's like this, for instance. You just gotta, um, grab it. You got the double top BE, or you got the pattern of the BE, or falls below this and capture what? 400 pips, okay? That's 400 pips. 400 pips is like, divide that by See how the spread is? Divide that by 12. And you get what? Hold on. You pretty much get, it's equivalent to making 40 pips on the regular, on a trade that we normally do. It's equivalent to making like 40, 50 pips. Something like that. But, you know, whatever. Moving on. You don't have to trade those when I post it. I just do it because I got a fucking, I can't get off of it. Some fucking, I mean, everybody has a thing. Some people can't get off gold. And for some reason, I can't get off the China fucking trades, man. So, whatever. So now we come to USD Jpy. Is that our final one? Yeah, that's our final one. Oh, look at this, man. Let me put this on screen. Remember my short here? No one's freaking, no one's bad mouthing me online about it now. Hold up, let me show you. Why is this taking so long to load? My short that was up here. Is this right? There's a bit, the other, it was up here. Well, all the way, like way up. This is like way, let me show the 4 hour. I was telling those little cocksuckers that need to trade this shit. I'll just say XAU, man. That need to trade. I'm not even gonna say it. I don't even want to say it. XAU that need to feel socially accepted, that were buying up in here, got smashed, and then they were trying to buy the pullback, and I kept telling them, it's a sell, man. I kept telling them, and they were like, they're bad mouthing me, they're talking all kinds of shit. I said, okay. And then they disappeared. Once it got past about right up in here, when it did this and it did that, they disappeared. They never came back. I sent messages and was like, yeah, where's it at, bitch? Where the fuck is it at? Where you at? Where you at? You talking about short sellers, huh? Talking about short sellers? What the fuck you said? Yo, they still ain't come back. They're still silent, man. They poofed. They disappeared. They don't exist anymore, man. Motherfuckers. I think they fucking know everything. Anyway, so USD Jpy. I don't know why this is slow today. I got slow internet, man. What's going on today, man? Oh, because the storm. It's probably what it is, because of the storm today. The rain and shit. It's probably what's going on. USD Jpy. Buyers, small. The big buyers, look at that. Big buyers, little sellers, big buyers. Came here, no sellers at all. Came here, then got a big sell, boom. Right? Yeah, that's the lines represent, man. BE at the top right there. Hit the, then hit this, re-hit my, and then I added this target, 124. Just tap that shit. And then now that's it, man. USD Jpy should be, you can short it now. I mean, if you want more confirmation, you can wait. That's fine. But like, if you want to be in early, you can do it now. But it's gonna range sideways on you when it gets gonna do this like this. It's not gonna be this straight drop. All right. And that's it. I'm out of here. It's 32 minutes long. I'll see you guys for the rest of the day. I'm chilling. I'm watching the new episodes. Better Call Saul. And I'm out. Peace.